Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, let me show you something. This is the coaster which I made it. If you want a complete video on how I made it, do comment below. Would love to share. Let's start the nail art tutorial for now. Let's have the base coat done. Then with the help of brush, I'm creating a straight line vertically. So same I'm doing horizontally. Then I'm going to do the same with white color. I will create the same lines parallelly to the black one. So the result is quite impressive, but we'll add a little heart shape here. So here's the final look. If you like this video, do share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.